All praises to Yahweh, Hashem, Yahushua. Double honors to Apostle Elders in New York, GMS, and Saute to Yakim around the world. That's teaching the truth. My name is Maya Kyle Nagad with Chicago branch of GMS. I'm going to read the scripture, Isaiah chapter 24, verse 5. The earth is defiled under the inhabitants thereof, because they had transgressed the laws and changed the orders and broken the everything covenant. That's talking about this devil, the so-called white man. All right, because he says, Joel chapter 9, verse 24, the earth is given to the head of the wicked, and they continually devouring all the rich resources of this planet called Don. Water down in is called Edom, which means paradise. This is a name. This is a true name of this planet, not the earth basically is like the dirt, the ground and stuff. But the name of this planet is called Don. But Esau, he's harming he's harming this planet with all his pollutions and stuff, man. With all the toxic chemicals and the containers and stuff. They dump stuff in the ocean, man. They buried like dangerous chemicals in the ground and everything, man. They tear down the rainforest, all the herbs. And the rainforest had numerous cures for different type of diseases, man, like AIDS and cancer, man. There's actually a cure for AIDS and cancer, but the devils, they make money off people dying, man. The pharmacy, because the word pharmaca actually breaks down to witchcraft. That's why when you look up pharmacies such as Walgreens, you'll see like the little pot and the little stars and everything that represents witchcraft, man. And but anyway, I'm gonna read this article right here. It says right here, and brothers, you need to check out beingnews.com, man. Got a lot of good articles on there, and it verifies that Yahweh's word in the Bible is real. All right, it says right here, it says sea salt around the world is contaminated by plastic. Studies show. All right, it says sea salt around the world has been contaminated by plastic pollution, adding to expert fears the microplastics are become ubiquitous in the environment and find their way into the food chain via salt in our diets. It says, following this week, revelations in Guardian about levels of plastic contamination in tap water, new studies have shown that tiny particles have been found in sea salt in the UK, France, and Spain, as well as China, now the US. It said researchers believe the majority of the contamination comes from microfibers and single-use plastics such as water bottles, items that comprise the majority of plastic waste. It says up to 12.7 tons of plastic into the world's ocean every year, equivalent to dumping one garbage truck of plastic per minute into the world's ocean, according to the United States record. Brother Mathiah and I camp. He was just saying how much plastic, back a while ago, how much plastic waste in the ocean, man. It says right here, it said not only are plastic pervasive in our society in terms of daily use, but they are pervasive in the environment, said Sherry Mace, a professor at State University of New York at Fredonia, who led the latest research into plastic contamination and salt. Plastics are ubiquitous in the air, the water, seafood we eat, the beer we drink, the salt we use. The plastics are just everywhere. Okay. It says Mace collaborated with researchers at University of Minnesota to examine microplastics in salt, beer, drinking water. Her research looked at 12 different kinds of salt, including 10 sea salts brought from U.S. grocery stores around the world. The Guardian received an exclusive look at the forthcoming study. All right. So there you go. You can read the rest of the article. But the main point being made, man. This damn devil, Esau, the so-called white man's got to go, man. All right, shalom.